Now we're going to talk about divs and spans. Divs are used to group or divide elements on our website. Div is actually short for divide. Again, it's useful to apply designs to specific sections of our website. Then we're going to touch on another tag known as span. Span is usually used within inline elements. And this is because they don't create a new line. And this sounds very abstract right now, but it will make more sense as you go deeper into CSS. And then we can style both divs and spans by applying a class or ID to them. And we've made a pre-made example just to demonstrate this concept for you. So we're going to open this example in brackets. We've got our HTML here and we've got our CSS, and let's just preview this. So right now you see there's a big blurb of text. We're going to create a div tag to divide up this text, similar to the structure that we've had before. To write a div tag is simple. You write the word div and then you close it off. Then we can assign a class to div tag. We've made a class of content, and these are the rules for content that we're going to create next. Let's call it content. And we want to divide some of this content up. Let's divide it into two paragraphs. Let's put paragraphs there. Let's center this a little bit. And let's make another paragraph. Let's divide up this content in. And let's put this content now in paragraph tags. Same here, let's put it in paragraph tags. And what I'm doing here is called indentation. I just want to make sure that my code is readable and looks nice so that when other developers look at my code, they can understand what I'm doing. It's also useful to add comments. So now that we have our content divided up, two separate paragraphs, we're going to just write a quick class of content. And let's make sure everything is bold. So font weight, let's do bold. I'm going to save this, Command S, Control S, and let's preview it. And we see all our content is now bold. I'm just going to increase my height so we can see all of the content and our width, and we'll go into height and width later. Let's highlight certain words now using span. Again, span, we use it a lot in inline elements, and it literally means use it within this line. So for example, let's apply a span tag here. And let's color the first few words of these sentences yellow using the span tag. We're going to give it a class of yellow. Again, you notice we're using classes a lot. Color, yellow. I'm going to save this. And there we go. And notice there's no space in between them like there's a space here. And that's because span tags don't add line breaks. And if we want to create room, we can use something called a break tag, BR. Save. Notice it breaks it up into a new line for us and adds space. So this is divs and this is spans. Divs again allow us to divide up our content, and span, if we have content, we can use span to create and add new designs to that content that's inline. Again, this will make more and more sense the more you do CSS. If you have any questions, be sure to hit us up on Slack.